Consider a giraffe that accidentally entered the lion's territory. Faced with this sudden intruder, the lions only observed it curiously at first and did not immediately take action. However, the giraffe seemed indifferent to the danger around them and was unaware of the crisis of their situation. At this time, a lioness quietly appeared behind the giraffe. When the giraffe was unprepared, she jumped and stretched her neck to the giraffe. The gazelle was immediately frightened and wanted to run away, but it was too late because the lions began to attack it. The giraffe fell limply to the ground as the lioness pounced on it again and began to bite. Seeing this, the lions immediately surrounded it and launched a fierce attack. In the end, the giraffe paid dearly for its negligence and became the lion's meal.